a federal appeals court recently rejected the Trump administration's request to immediately allow the deployment of National Guard troops to Illinois, leaving in place a lower court order that blocked the mobilization temporarily. And a federal judge is extending temporary orders barring the Trump administration from deploying the National Guard to Portland, Oregon. Again, another breaking story. And in other good news, a federal judge has also halted President Trump's planned layoffs of federal workers during this shutdown time. And also, you should know, USCIS immigration is open and conducting interviews. The courts are open. The only thing that's closed is the Department of Labor. So the U.S. Supreme Court has declined to take up a challenge to a rule adopted during President Obama's former administration, allowing the spouses of people with H-1B visas, that is H-4 visas, for highly skilled jobs to work in the U.S. In other words, they still have spousal work permission under certain circumstances. Now, in other news, a group of unions, higher education professionals, religious organizations, and others have sued the Trump administration in federal court in California over its decision to charge a $100,000 fee for H-1B visas. Now, this is a major challenge. We're watching this very closely. It affects so many foreign nationals. Now, this lawsuit argues that the change was unlawful because President Trump had no authority to unilaterally impose taxes or other requirements to generate revenue through the H-1B program, as this is a power that's just granted to the U.S. Congress. Now, there's always the good, the bad, and the ugly, and here's the not-so-good news. ICE is now targeting legal residents in Chicago and fining them $130 for not having their green card or evidence of their legal status with them as required by federal regulations. So you should always have a copy of any document proving your legal status, like a copy of your green card or a U.S. passport or citizenship certificate.